What am I gonna choose for dinner? Alright, well, I guess I'll do the egg, pork roll, fried. Sounds good. I will say this much, this tea here, diet tea, tastes really good. Tastes really good. Alright, let's get the little bitty kitchen going. 12 degrees and I got my windows open. Taylor ham in it, baby. With scrambled eggs is gonna be my dinner. And I got this right there, that's 4 days of dinner. Snacks, that's 5th. I got the hot dogs on the thing. 5 days of dinner. Got my salt, ketchup, spoons, garbage bag, napkins. You go to McDonald's, you just tell them, hey, you didn't give me enough ketchup. Hey, you didn't give me enough butter. You didn't give me enough salt. You didn't give me enough mustard. All these fast food places you can go, they have all this stuff to get for free. And that's looking real good. Scrambled eggs. There is today's dinner. Taylor ham and scrambled eggs. You know I had to do it, guys. Just can't be in a snowy New Jersey weather without living some of the past. Let's see how these things are. Of course, I got 2 cops over there. Right where they were at was perfect. All I'm looking for is just a little patchy part of snow. That's all I'm looking for. That's all. Oh, shoot. That's all I'm looking for, dudes. Ooh, I see one over there. That's what I'm looking for, buddy. Hell yeah. That's what I'm looking for. A nice little empty parking lot. Hell yeah. I love it, boy. I love it. Make sure there ain't no cops around. I'm trying to do a spin out. It's gonna be hard because this is an all-wheel drive. I can't take it off. Son of a gun. You gotta love it. It's been a long time since I've done that in a parking lot, boy. That felt so good. I got a grin ear to ear. Love it. What the heck does that mean? Critical safety functions are limited. Radar blocked? Is there a radar in here that's blocking me on this road from using the collision? Or maybe the cold won't do the automatic brake stop? I don't know. That's the first time I've ever seen that. This car is going cuckoo. Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I wonder if there's snow on my front bumper that's blocking the radar. Never thought about that. The water thing is frozen. It only does to one side. Welcome, beautiful Metuchen.
Continue on current road for about 2 miles.
Oh, this is pretty cool. pretty cool. Wonder if they got good food here. If this isn't out of a Hallmark movie, you tell me. Metuchen. Things you see in Metuchen.
In 700
Metuchen
feet,
looks
turn
pretty
right onto
beautiful when
Spring
it's
Street.
snowy out. Definitely got some nice looking houses.
Turn right onto Spring Street and then turn right.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shoot. Yeah, you see, I don't have the tires. Alright, I don't have the tires to do that. That's scary. That was scary.
Turn right
and
onto
that could be
Main
because
Street.
none of that is working. I mean, that's a pretty cool house. That's like a Munsters. Eddie Munster house there. Good old Metuchen. And
Continue
we got
on
the
Current
forum
Road
there.
for about 2 miles.
That looks pretty cool. Well, thanks guys for joining me on this Metuchen ride. Appreciate you watching me cook them scrambled eggs and Taylor ham. Basically, that's what I've been eating. A lot of that there. It just is what it is. Snow is on the ground. Went and got a few things. Gonna get back. These tires are just not made for... I mean, it's just not made for snow. I mean, I know these tires are a year old. They're not that bad. But they're not made for a snowy road. I don't care if you got all-wheel drive. If something's going on with the critical safety function. But this is Metuchen, guys. And I appreciate for all you guys that can't get out, that are getting out with me, joining me for this ride along on this snowy day. Appreciate all the comments that you guys are leaving, all the advice that I'm taking from you, and just using it. There is a storm further south that's heavier than this down by the shores. So thank goodness I ain't got to deal with that, but figure go this way since I'm heading back. Show you guys the beautiful area of Metuchen. And you got to be careful because, like I said, it's, you know, these roads here are dangerous for my car for some reason. I have to drive extra slow. It's not like, and it could be too, I'm not used to driving
Turn
in
left
the
onto
snow.
Harold Place and then turn left.
But if this little bit of snow had me sliding, just imagine if a lot of bit of snow had me sliding. See, I'm sliding. I'm literally, and I'm not going fast, so this is not a good thing. Trust me, I'm not trying to do a spin about. But it sure looks beautiful in the snow.
Turn right onto Main Street.
Don't miss those days. But you see how I'm getting close to here, to the stop sign? If I don't slow down, I'd definitely be out in the road and I'd be hit. Well, that was it for Metuchen, guys. Once we go over this
Continue
bridge,
on Current Road for 0.9 miles.
I don't know what we'll consider them. but that was downtown Metuchen. A lot of urbanish in this areas here. See, one thing New Jersey has a lot of is bridges. But it's just all about being careful. And you just never know about the black ice too. Like, you know, like that can be, and I have it in snow mode. I mean, it's, I don't know. It's definitely not made.
In a half mile, keep left onto Main Street.
It's these tires or something are not made for here. And that's pretty scary. That little bit of snow can make this car slide. That's really scary.
In a quarter mile, keep left at the 5th road onto
I don't know if some of you've driven in snow. It's been a long time in a freaking salt thing, throwing salt, cracking my paint job. This is what I did not want to be out here for. The salt. The throwing salt on you. Because I'm telling you, them things are so thick, man. They'll friggin' chip
keep
your
left
paint
onto
off.
Main Street and then turn left.
And then if it gets colder tonight, it's
Turn
gonna
left
be
at the traffic
even
light
icier.
onto Woodbridge Avenue.
But it is what it's gonna be.
Continue
Any
on
little
Current
hill,
Road for 0.7
any
miles.
little hill, doesn't matter. I want to take it on with a sled. Gotta see, I think my nephew had a sled. Might have to borrow it while I'm here. But I take any hill. It doesn't matter if it's on the
In
highway.
a half mile, turn slight right
Does
onto
not matter. You can even see, you know, how low those clouds are too. It's crazy. Even that little patchy spot right there is dangerous. If I would have took that a little bit faster, I probably could have been inside of his truck. That's what it is. The radar got blocked with ice. Gotta make sure this radar stays clean. Good old days. Slush on the front of the car with salt. Not much snow today, but these hills here would be hills I would have taken on a sled ride. Any little hill you can find,